Volatility creates opportunity. It's important to keep the long term in mind during these periods of market stress. Several stocks have fallen below levels where they should justifiably be trading at their current fundamentals. Those are the companies we're going to be looking for. While at the same time, some other stocks probably have farther to fall because momentum got too far ahead of itself in the months and years preceding this most recent drawdown. Many people are paying attention to the new administration in the US, and that's certainly causing stress in the market, and particularly all the talk around tariffs. What's also important is what's happening in terms of fiscal spending. There could be a sharp reduction in fiscal spending, which could have an impact on GDP and cyclical activity in the US market. This is not something that I think a lot of people are paying attention to. There's more talk around tariff and geopolitical tensions, and this is something to keep in mind as we go through the year and think about investments and market volatility and market optimism. Where we see the most attractive valuations and the biggest market overreaction on the negative side in the last couple of years in terms of market underperformance is certainly healthcare and also small caps. There's a lot of opportunity there for the reasons I stated previously. Furthermore, in terms of technology, which has been a beneficiary of market momentum over the last couple of years, the long-term trend is once-in-a-generation type momentum and revenue growth. So it's important to use this most recent sell-off as an entry point to gain further access to this long-term trend. It's important to keep the long term in mind when investing. Don't pay too much attention to what's happening on a day-to-day basis. Fluctuations in the market are constant. Bouts of volatility come up every single year. It's important to keep thinking about the long term. What is the value of the companies that are getting caught up in the volatility, and look for opportunities when the market is under stress. And when the market is over-optimistic, look for opportunities to take some risk off the table.
投资一定有风险，基金投资有赚有赔，申购前应详阅公开说明书。